All right, it is 9:10 on the 18th of December. Preparing some paint correction on this 2025 IS350 all-wheel drive. I'm noticing some real, I don't know what to describe it as, trash in the glass when it was manufactured. See if you can see that. I have cleaned inside and out. That will not go away, okay? Clean the inside and the outside. And it's all in the glass. It looks like it's something in the middle layer. And I'm not sure if anybody else has noticed it or not, but like, no matter where you go, if you get the light just right, you can see it. You can see it right there. And it's all in the glass. It's in between the glass. It's like on that piece of plastic, the safety glass. Looks like a defect. Okay, so doing the continuation on this 2025 IS350 all-wheel drive, just to show the further. It looks like the laminate layer in the middle of the glass has been damaged or a defect in manufacturing. But see if you can see all that glass specks? That's not lint. That's on the layer between two pieces of glass from what I discern, or it's in the glass manufacturing. It almost looks like small fiberglass. I don't know, but I mean, it's everywhere. And if you go to the back glass, same thing. And again, you can't wipe that off. Here's from inside the glass, inside the car. Let's see if I can get it for you. See all that stuff in there? It's all in the glass. You can't get it out. I don't know if the delamination is bad, but this glass needs to be replaced.